Point clouds for Rhino Professional Edition. Clash detection between mesh surfaces and points of point clouds. So here you can see we have a mesh surface. If you just look here, I have it in shaded mode, and we have two options under the point clouds tab. That's clash and convert clashes, which I'll speak about in just a moment. So if we just turn on clash, you can see where the mesh surface actually clashes with the point cloud. So if I just move this over to here, you can see it clashing, and if I just move it back, you can see where it clashes, and you can actually see the shape of the arch there as well. So it's clashing perfectly. There's the that wall edge going up into the arch, and it clashes perfectly. If I turn off clash, those red X's are gone, so the red X's denoting the clash are removed. If I turn them on and hit convert clashes that I spoke about a minute ago, that's done, that's instant. Now turn off clash. You can see here, if I just draw, because here the red X's have now been converted into native Rhino points, denoting where each of the clash was. So that is clash detection with mesh surfaces and the point cloud or point clouds, and the ability to convert them into native Rhino points.